Violand Management is extremely proud to again help support R&R Magazine's Women in Restoration campaign. Through the successes of our clients, we have seen exponential growth in the amount of women in key positions within their company who are working so hard for various trade associations and organizations, and most importantly, the amount of successful, talented women who own their own restoration business and are killing it out there. We highly encourage you to take some time and nominate a deserving woman you know for this prestigious award, but most importantly, spend a few minutes and just say thank you to them. Thank you for all of the hard work and efforts you put in serving this great industry, as well as helping all of us perform at our best. Have a great day.
Hello there. I am so excited to announce that the nomination period for the 5th Annual Women in Restoration Award is now open, and Violand Management Associates is once again our rockstar organization sponsoring this award. Since this award was created in 2016, 173 women have been nominated. Those women have had, on average, 17 years of experience in the restoration industry. Each year, we have seen new names and gotten to know more leading ladies in what I think is the best industry out there. Here's what you need to know. Nominations are being accepted through the end of February. The only requirement to be nominated is 10 years of experience in the industry. We welcome nominations from every single level within a company: administrative, operations, leadership, techs, accountants, and everyone in between. The nominations are carefully judged by a panel of fellow women in restoration. The scoring is based on categories like the impact the nominee has had in their company, community, and industry, the thoroughness of the entry, I'll get to this more in a minute, their journey in the industry to date, and industry accolades and certifications. The winner will be announced at the Violand Executive Summit, which is happening June 18th and 19th in Canton, Ohio. I want to take a moment to personally invite all of the women in restoration to a half-day Women in Leadership event happening on the afternoon of Wednesday, June 17th. This is a great opportunity to meet and network with fellow women in restoration and in the cleaning industry, and be part of glass-shattering conversations. You can find out more about this at violand.com/events. All right, now back to more about the Women in Restoration nominations. I want to give you a little hint to help your entry stand out. Be thorough. We have had groups band together to nominate the same person as many as 7 times in 1 year. We have also had submissions come with multiple letters of recommendation from customers, the community, and coworkers. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to shoot me an email at blevinsm@bnpmedia.com. You can also visit R&R Mag online/Women in Restoration for all the details and a link to the entry form. I'll speak for myself when I say I cannot wait to meet the 2020 winner of Women in Restoration.
We invite you to attend Violand's Women in Leadership program June 17th, as well as the Violand Executive Summit June 18th and 19th in Canton, Ohio, held in partnership with Kent State University. This is a professional business series that allows you to get key information on how to improve your efforts when it comes to hiring, sales, understanding your numbers, KPIs, management and leadership, getting the most from your team, and more. Also, while you're here, the winners of R&R Magazine's Women in Restoration campaign will be announced. We're excited about all of this. If you'd like more information, please go to violand.com, VIOLAND.com, to the programs page. Thank you.